everyone from the Elizabeth Casey Show. It is time to get ready for a school year, which means we start to see school buses hitting the streets in your neighborhood. And for many districts, the ride to school has never been better thanks to clean and affordable energy options. Here's with us, joining us this morning, it is the CEO of the Propane Education Research Council, Dr. Perkins. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
Tell me how important it is that our school district invest in clean school buses.
Well, it's critically important, right? Children deserve to have that clean, safe, and healthy ride to school. That's the ride they get when they go in a propane-powered school bus, not the way I rode to school 30 years ago. The way to go is in a modern propane school bus. Better for the child, better for the community, much better for the environment.
And if we rode in a propane bus, would we notice a difference compared to the diesel buses we remember?
You would immediately notice a difference. Think about that school bus when it pulls away from the bus stop and you see that cloud of black smoke. We know about that cloud of black smoke, and in it are many harmful pollutants, the most of which are very harmful to young lungs, create the conditions for asthma, bronchitis. When you're on a propane-powered school bus, you step onto the bus smells clean, the bus is clean. That cloud of black smoke is gone. The next thing you notice as the driver pulls away is that it's quiet. You can talk with your friends can talk with you, you talk with the driver, and teachers tell us the value of children that arrive to school in a quiet bus. They come calmer, they're ready to learn faster. Clean and quiet gives such a great leg up for a child as they start the school day.
Absolutely, I totally agree with you. Cleaning is always good. Silence is important, especially before a test. I wanted to ask, besides those amazing benefits for the environment, what are the other benefits for the school district to have a propane versus a diesel buses?
Well, I think it'll surprise you because with all those great benefits, usually people think the cost would be exorbitant. A propane school bus costs about the same initially as a diesel school bus, but then to operate it, it is half the cost. If we took all the diesel buses across this country and had them run on propane, the savings could put 23,000 teachers into the classroom. That gives you an idea of the magnitude of savings when you move from diesel to propane.
And obviously money. Are there any ways to school they can pay for cleaner buses?
Yeah, the EPA has seen the wisdom in getting rid of diesel, making this diesel's last decade and migrating to modern propane-powered school buses. They have a $5 billion fund for school systems that want to leave dirty diesel and move to modern propane buses.
I'm sure there are many parents that are looking at this right now. They want to know, they are thinking that they want their kids in propane buses. What can parents do to make that happen?
Yeah, we've created a website for parents to go to learn the facts, to learn how to engage, where to engage. That website is betterourbuses.com, betterourbuses.com.
Anything else that you would like to add?
No, it's just a great time. Back to school is so exciting, but it's time to rethink how we do school transportation, take kids out of those diesel buses and put them in a modern propane-powered school bus.
Absolutely. Finally, one more time, that website, want to make sure that we all can go and read a little bit more about it because it sounds pretty exciting and interesting.
Yeah, thank you. That website's betterourbuses.com.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.